Hello everyone, my name is Padarbin and today I have got a very nice topic for you. You can learn effective way of communication based on communicative English and you can express yourself on arguments whenever you come across with any group discussion, interview, webinar, seminar or any formal informal conversation. When you have the situation of arguments, so you should know how to use your English effectively, which is going to really help you a lot to hold the attention and control the arguments, and you can really win the situations, and also you can demonstrate best of the personality by using English. So here we go. My name is Padarbin, I'm your English faculty, so I would like to give you a lot of ideas about it. So here it is arguments. So before we get into this platform, we must have our learning goal, what exactly we are going to learn. So here we are going to learn some most effective part. First one, effective way to say during arguments, and you should know how to use your discourse markers. Next, effective communication skill with language discourse markers. Then it may happen during discussions or someone wanted to prove points at that moment, how you should generate your ideas and what is the solutions. So these are the best part of our learning goal. Today we are going to have it, and I would like to give you much more about it. So here it is, one of the best part of express yourself on arguments. So I would like to tell you, focus on this two people conversation and understand it. So there is a speaker Jeannie, and Jeannie here says, I think you don't have ideas about this topic, that much I have. I clearly wanted to clarify that. So this is little rude tone and very argumentative point of view. So Simi replies here, I'm sorry, could I take your point of view in this way so that we can have better understanding? So how Simi replies effectively by using the best of English communication. So could I take your point of view in this way? So this is what the polite tone and how effectively Simi has used the language. So this is what the way you should learn at the time of having any kind of discussion or interview or any kind of public speaking seminar. Whenever you come across to the part of arguments, you can learn the technique. So what you should do over here, the best part is, first of all, avoid arguments. Okay, and I would like to suggest you two things. Welcome agreement, no argument, only agreement. So you have to create this attitude and you have to express your language, convert into discussion any situation. Okay, if you find argumentation, I recommend all of you to convert your arguments into discussion. So that is very important sections over here. So let me give you the best phrases and which are going to really help you to improve your English communication. I want you to use that phrases in your day-to-day life whenever you come across with this kind of situation. So here we go. One is, I appreciate your point of view and would like to add on something. I'm not an argumentative but happy to share my opinion. You can use this kind of sentences in that particular situation whenever you come across with the situation of arguments. I hope you will take my point in a positive way, that all are fine, but with the view of all, I would say that first of all, I think not only that, but I also think that they are also, they are not. There are several, many reasons for this. Firstly, let me add on more. Well, sorry to cut it short here, or but my clear and to the point is. So this is what the point. Second, you can come across. Secondly, on the other hand, in contrast to this is, because of, that is why, after all, the reason is that, in that respect, the result of this is that, moreover, furthermore, in addition, another significant point is that, finally, on the other hand, another aspect point is that, it is because it would be wrong to claim that, although it is true that, that may sometimes be true, but one could argue that, but point is well taken. Could I come in with a new note? I should like to repeat once again that, I should like to emphasize that, I would just like to add. So all in all, I believe that in Summing up, it can be said that, so this is the techniques that I shared with you right now. You should know how to practice it. The practice activity is very important point here. Have a role play and use your templates, what I have suggested. Remember all suggested phrases by writing or speaking. Join a discussion and use templates. Make your recording, mirror, or video exercises. Practice daily with new phrases. Share your knowledge with others. So this is the idea I gave you. So thank you for learning. This is mainstayapproach.com, the website. You can visit it. This is my number 91780 and call or send message. This is a WhatsApp number also for online training. Thank you. Wish you all the best and keep watching many videos. Please subscribe the channels. I'm coming with a lot of new ideas also. Thank you.